Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share with you my recipe on how to make homemade cough remedy. They work like magic and they are all made from natural ingredients you can buy around or in the grocery around you. Give it a try. So you'll be needing ginger, strawberry for flavor, lime, some lemon, and a running honey. So now, wash the lime and lemon with enough water. Now massage the lemon to extract enough juice from it. You can use a juicer or a squeezer for extracting the juice. Now cut them into two. And squeeze out the juice into a plate. After juicing, set aside and repeat the same process with the lime. Squeeze out the juice and also set it aside. Get the ginger and scrape off the back. After scraping, wash the ginger and cut them into smaller pieces. Put them in a food processor or in a blender and blend until smooth. I added a little water to enable easy blending. In a large bowl, use a strainer to strain the ginger juice. Press with spoon to also extract the juice in the ginger chaff. After that, strain the lemon juice and the lime juice. After straining, take off the strainer. Add your honey, about 4 teaspoons of honey. The honey should be running. Add your boiled hot water. And mix them together until they are well combined. Get a clean container or a bottle that has the lid and pour the juice into it. At this point, your strawberries should be ready. Now add the chopped strawberries into the juice. This can last up to 3 weeks or 1 month in the fridge. Allow the juice to cool completely before putting it into the fridge. This cough remedy is suitable for kids and adults. You can give 2.5 ml to kids 4 times in a day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Give thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until I come your way again, it's Home for Foods TV. Bye bye.